to open them now.
We need to open them now while she's still in a good mood.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, what did you get?
Oh.
You got a flopper.
Oh yeah, they'll be right away.
Yay. The new vacuum for mommy? There.
That's nostalgia.
Good
That's great.
wrapping, Dawn. Oh, look at that.
Nice and noisy.
That was the loudest time we find.
Dawn just has to remember payback. It's a bitch.
Anybody buys a drum set, you're not welcome over anymore.
Oh, wow, hey? She just knows when she's getting her picture taken. She's like, yeah. That's pretty cool.